thousands of people killed, millions of people leaving their homes, Russia wanting to take over Ukraine, and threatening Ukraine with what? We're your hosts, Nathaniel Blanchard and Damon Fuster, and in this episode of War Problems, we're going to try and answer the question, will Russia use nuclear weapons? What is a tactical nuclear weapon? What are they made of?
Why are people concerned about Russia using use of nuclear weapons? One reason is Russia has lots of bombs and they could strike at any moment.
How many bombs do they have?
They have 5,977 nuclear bombs and tactical weapons.
How does a nuclear weapon work?
A nuclear bomb is made out of uranium, which is U-235. U-235 is a subcritical mass. And if an atom hits that subcritical mass, it splits. That split and the atom makes that U-236. And that is still a subcritical mass. In a nuclear bomb, there are two subcritical masses. Those subcritical masses are separated for the nuclear bomb to explode. There has to be an explosion in the bomb to move the U-236. And when the U-236 hits the other U-236, that creates a supercritical mass. And as that supercritical mass, and there is two explosions, those two explosions is what makes the mushroom cloud.
What is a tactical nuclear weapon? I've never heard of that term before.
They are nuclear weapons that are smaller than nuclear bombs of the past.
Does that mean tactical nuclear weapons are less concerning?
No, tactical nuclear weapon is much more common, and they are easier to use. And there is a greater risk of nuclear war because they are more usable, lighter than a normal nuclear bomb, and that makes it easier to transport to different places in neighboring countries. The concern is that if one country tries to use one of the tactical nuclear bombs, then other countries will start using them, and that could lead to a nuclear war. How many countries have tactical nuclear bombs?
9 countries have tactical nuclear weapons. According to the Federation of American Scientists, they are Russia, the United States, China, France, the United Kingdom, Pakistan, India, Israel, and North Korea. Facts about Russia and their nuclear bombs.
There are 3,008 nuclear weapons in the world. Russia contributes 89% of the world's nuclear weapons. The first nuclear weapon tested in the world was in August 1949. And the Soviet Union launched the bomb. What is the U.S. response?
The U.S. has responded to the war in Ukraine. President Joe Biden has warned that any use of tactical nuclear weapons by Ukraine by Russia could lead to Armageddon. From the Newsweek, they say that Russian President Vladimir Putin nuclear threats to the West over his war in Ukraine are real. According to Yuri Yavlensky, a Russian opposition politician and founder of Moscow's last liberal party.